really hurt?
Yes.
Johnny! Johnny!
I might have put a knee in.
Johnny's got a big red mark on his stomach.
Brendan, where does it hurt?
Please tell me you're still filming. Please tell.
Brendan, where does it hurt you?
Right here, knee me in the thigh.
He went in the air.
Alright, I didn't really get what I wanted there.
What?
I didn't really get what I wanted.
So I get to do it again.
Yeah.
I see a team player, bro.
What was wrong with that? Honestly. There was nothing wrong with the first one.
It's a big scene, Brendan. This is it. This is the final confrontation.
Alright, so. Alright, are we gonna.
Yeah, one more
player or
time.
not?
One more time, Brendan. Oh, I swear this will be the last one. Only 2 angles.
My shirt's still off, Brendan. Suck it.
You really. That's where you hit him.
Yeah, I know. My pectorals injured Brendan.
Rub some dirt on it, Brendan.
It's not a scrape.
Put your backpack on.